Welcome to sunny Southwest Florida, where hurricanes, humidity, and home improvement all go hand in hand. Today we're taking you on a full walkthrough of a Lowe's home improvement store. And trust me, it's not your average hardware run. First stop, the Florida survival aisle. Here prepping for hurricane season is a lifestyle. Sandbags, flashlights, a generator big enough to power your whole neighborhood. Not to mention portable air conditioners and window units. We personally have a generator that can run the entire house. Just in case. Here in Florida you never know for sure because often even a gentle breeze is enough to shut down power for hours. Look at that chair. It's just inviting you to sit down. Weatherproof and just perfect for long Florida evenings at the pool. Here we are, the sacred grilling grounds for all barbecue fans. From small gas grills for the balcony to giant smokers that look like they could cook for a village festival. And for those who prefer slow and smoky, we have pellet grills and charcoal smokers. Low and slow is the motto. Pulled pork, brisket, ribs, Florida-style barbecue at its finest. Out here is Lowe's massive garden section. Flowers, citrus trees, and more bags of mulch than you ever knew existed. It's like Florida's jungle. Just a little bit more organized. Next, the bug apocalypse wall. If it flies, crawls, stings or bites, there's a spray for it here. Welcome to Florida. Behold, the legendary toilet that can flush a bucket of golf balls. Why? Because Florida, that's why. From AI-powered refrigerators to ovens that basically talk to you, this section makes you feel like your kitchen is stuck in the past. I know ours is because ours, compared to this stuff here, looks like Fred Flintstone's version of a kitchen. Washers and dryers as far as the eye can see. Some of them even call you when they're finished. And yes, they come with Wi-Fi. Because who doesn't want to start their laundry from the beach? This here is a really good deal. I guess we have to swap our washer-dryer combo soon. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, you will find everything a DIY guy or girl could desire here. Or at least enough to pretend you know what you're doing. From laminate flooring, to hardwood flooring, to tiles, and even pink insulation, you will find everything that could ruin your weekend. Right here. And here we have the classic home improvement section. Whether you're fixing a fence, building a deck, or trying to install a door for the third time, this is your zone. Want to build that life edge table you saw on Pinterest? You will find all the materials right here. And now we enter my personal heaven. Tool heaven. From Bosch to Metabo to DeWalt. You can find all the power tools your heart desires. And of course you need all of them. Because you might have to build a bridge or a skyscraper. And then all of that stuff is needed. My wife Monica doesn't see it that way, but I buy them anyway. Florida is so hot, even the batteries start sweating. This one drips already. Cobalt is a Lowe's private label and is only sold here. The tools are manufactured by the same company that makes the Flex power tools. They're okay tools intended for the hobbyist who uses them every now and then. Here at Lowe's, you can find the smallest toolbox on the planet. And for sure, they come in all available colors. But of course, there are also larger boxes for the tools needed for building these bridges and high-rises. The Craftsman brand was acquired by Stanley Black & Decker after the Sears Corporation went bankrupt. You can find the products here at Lowe's, but also at Tractor Supply and a couple other places. Okay, how cool is this? These floor mats are made from recycled Nike shoe soles. So yes, your doormat might once been someone's Air Jordan. So that was our tour of Lowe's here in Southwest Florida. From hurricane gear to Nike floor mats to big barbecue smokers, this place has it all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Florida, America and world travel content. And let us know in the comments what's the weirdest thing you've ever seen at a hardware store. Thanks und Servus.